Hey, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Nomadic Geek. I'm thrilled to launch our brand new tutorial series diving into the exciting world of Web3. If you're captivated by the future of the internet and eager to understand the technologies reshaping our digital landscape, this is the tutorial series for you. We'll explore the core mechanics of decentralized technology, demonstrating how to build secure, efficient, and transparent applications on the blockchain. Join me as we delve into coding smart contracts and deploying transformative applications that redefine how we interact online. Web3 isn't just a buzzword, it's a new reality. Today, we're transitioning from the centralized services of Web 2 to the decentralized and powerful capabilities of Web 3. Initially, we caught our first glimpse of Web 3's potential through partially on-chain NFTs and dApps relying on services like AWS and Google Cloud. Many blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, have served as demonstrations of what Web 3 could be, but none have fully matured until now. The Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, is taking it to the next level as the first truly Web3 blockchain fully operational on-chain. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when I post more content. Now we have ICP, fully on-chain, compiled to WebAssembly without the need for oracles or intermediaries. It offers low latency, high throughput, is SEO-friendly, and enhances security beyond traditional internet architectures with chain key cryptography and infinite scalability. The reverse gas model enables free-to-use, truly user-friendly dApps, poised for mass adoption. ICP promises a radically new ecosystem, making dApps not only user-friendly but also free to use. This aligns with the vision of what the web was meant to be from day one. Compared to traditional blockchain models like Ethereum, which rely on Layer 2 scaling solutions and external oracles, ICP's architecture integrates all necessary components on-chain. Where blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum struggle with scalability and speed, ICP's subnet design allows for parallel processing, significantly increasing throughput and efficiency. Furthermore, unlike models that require substantial transaction fees, ICP's reverse gas model removes financial barriers for users, fostering greater accessibility and encouraging broader adoption. Believe it or not, ICP even makes Bitcoin better. Through CKBTC, a multi-chain Bitcoin twin trustlessly created by chain key cryptography and Internet Computer smart contracts that directly hold raw Bitcoin, users can send and receive CKBTC with 1 to 2 second finality and negligible fees, costing just 10 cents. This remarkable capability is only possible because ICP smart contracts can directly interact with the Bitcoin network, bringing unprecedented efficiency and low-cost transactions to Bitcoin users. Let's break down the Internet Computer, or IC, which is powered by the ICP token. At its core, the IC is structured in 4 layers: peer-to-peer, consensus, message routing, and execution, each playing a crucial role in delivering a scalable and efficient decentralized platform. Starting from the bottom, the peer-to-peer layer ensures robust and secure communication across nodes. Moving up, the consensus layer allows nodes to agree on the order of transactions with almost instant finality. The message routing layer then directs these transactions to their respective destinations, and finally, the execution layer runs the code in a deterministic environment using WebAssembly, or WASM. Throughout this series, we'll be building a simple yet impactful project, a chat app on the Internet Computer. You'll learn how to set up your development environment, write smart contracts, and integrate front-end designs with decentralized technologies. By the end of this series, not only will you have a fully functional dApp, but you'll also grasp the profound capabilities of Web3 technologies. So stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together to unlock the potential of the decentralized web. Thank you for watching our introduction to the new tutorial series. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our next episode, where we'll set up our development environment. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.